the first ever connected pocket scanner. It is mobile, tiny, lightweight, wireless, with a long-lasting battery. The PUP is very simple to use thanks to its unique button. It is smart. It automatically takes care of every step, from your sheet of paper to its destination on the internet. The PUP allows you to stay comfortable where you are without moving around. You don't need to worry about paper dimensions anymore. Your documents are automatically and safely routed where you need them. The PUP is so simple to use. Choose your scenario. Fit the laser to the pages and press the button. That's it. Your document has just been transferred according to your choice. Some artworks matter more than others. They deserve to be saved and shared instantly with your loved ones. The PUP is always ready to go. It is incredibly fast and easy to use. The PUP brings you closer to the ones you love. The PUP can scan everything. It even works with books. It is smart and automatically fixes any reflection or page curve issues. The PUP comes with its own light and does not rely on the ambient lighting. You always get a sharp image. The PUP is your nomad companion. It follows you everywhere. It takes care of everything and lets you focus on what really matters to you. The PUP will bring you new creative scenarios every day, so you can stay up to date with your favorite networks. Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram. They can all be reached in one click. It will even help you import your documents into Word and Excel.
Many of us use RFID technology in our daily lives. These digital key cards often provide easy and convenient access to all of the places that we frequent on a regular basis. Our home, office, parking structure, pool, etc. But until now, there's been no easy way to copy these devices, leaving you vulnerable to expensive fees should you lose one, and inconveniencing you when you need to share access with a spouse, friend, housekeeper, or dog walker. And having a different key card for each location can be a hassle. Enter Keezy, a small device that fits on your keyring, allowing you to copy up to 4 RFID devices. The process of copying an RFID credential onto Keezy is simple. First, hold down the button you would like to copy the RFID credential to. When the LED light turns red, simply hold Keezy over the key fob or key card. The LED will blink red while Keezy is reading the device. When the process is complete, the LED will turn green. To use it, simply press the button near the reader and it will work just like the original. Keezy works with the most popular low-frequency RFID devices from many manufacturers using different protocols. And if you move or no longer need access to an RFID credential, you can simply reprogram that button to copy another device. And if you need to give access to anyone, it's as easy as holding your Keezy to theirs and holding down the button. The simplicity and convenience moves with you.
This is Cubio, the most compact laser engraver for everyone. Connect to your tablet or smartphone. It's easy to place Cubio, ready to work. Cubio delineates your sketch and makes it come true right on your desk. Cubio engraves on wood, leather, craftboard, paper, and many other materials. It can also cut off models from paperboard or felt. With Cubio, you can decorate your home, personalize your belongings, style your place all yours. Have fun with your ideas. Have fun with Cubio.
What an amazing city. I need to write about this place.
Did you ever miss a flash of creative genius? Well, you're definitely not alone.
I need to bring Jessica here. She would love this place. I have to share that with everybody.
We are building a first smart voice recording wearable. It's handy and allows you to capture your thoughts with a quick motion. Nothing to distract, so you can stay focused on what really matters when you're out for a walk or run. It works offline just fine, so don't worry about leaving your phone at home. A full battery charge lasts for about 4 days of average use. Sandstone has futuristic design to make it memorable and you remarkable. It's created in the intersection of waves and symbolizes the sound that you create when you speak. It fully charges in 30 minutes on a specially designed dock station that can fit the device in all of your interchangeable bags.
With all the distractions and life on the go, it's so easy to forget a great idea. Sandstone is a notepad built for your busy everyday life.
Kloop was built to help keep you organized and keep your cables and cords neat and tangle-free. Use it at home to keep your living space free of cord clutter. Keep Kloop at your desk to increase usability and workflow. It even keeps your cables off the floor to prevent accidents or damage caused by pets. Kloop makes your cables easy to pack up and take with you on the go. When you're ready to use your headphones, Kloop frees your cable in one easy step. Snap it onto your clothes and your earbuds stay out of the way when exercising. Kloop will always keep your growing collection of gadgets neat and tangle-free. Here's where Kloop is unique. It comes in 2 different sizes and 3 different colors. Kloop is made from an elastic silicone material with 2 neodymium magnets located at opposite ends. Kloop won't slide off your cables. In fact, it actually works as a companion device. Kloop stays attached to your cable even when not in direct use, so you'll never have to worry about accidental loss. Kloop is simple, effective, compact, and can be taken anywhere. It's your everyday magnetic cable tie.
Always Home. Always Home is a true breakthrough in remote access technology. Faster than VPN, Always Home works virtually anywhere because it can't be blocked. All you need is a proxy device at home, like a smartphone, streaming box, tablet, or the Always Home network dongle. Then, when you travel, connect your device using the Always Home app or the Always Home dongle. And instantly, you can access your in-home internet and you can watch, surf, and enjoy just like home, even if home is 5,000 miles away. If you travel heavily, if you're an expat living overseas, if you're a business owner wanting to give remote access to your employees, or you just want to take your in-home streaming services down to the coffee shop, Always Home makes it happen, faster, easier, and with no blocking ever.
Number 1.
This is the Stone. It's modern cutting-edge technology in a small package. Also, it has a button. What does it do? Well, the Stone tags your stuff. so you can find them later. It even has a motion sensor, so you can tell when it moves. One moment. Since the motion tracker is proximity-based, it can notify you when it leaves. And when it returns.
It even has a temperature sensor, so you can tell how hot your car is in the morning.
All right. Enough about the stone. Let's talk about the button. You can press the button to do anything.
Anything?
Well, almost anything.
Like get me a pizza?
Sure. You can even call a friend. Kimmy, pizza party, my place. You can also take a selfie. With IFTTT, the possibilities are endless. You can even tell it to do different things at different times of the day. Or you can flip it to smart mode, and it will figure out what you want. The Pebble Bee Stone is the perfect way to organize and simplify your life.